Hi, my name is Mrs. Allen, and I want to give you all a video review on Leaf Credit Solutions. I want to let you know that I met Mrs. Sharp and her team less than 30 days ago. Through this process, they said it's going to take at least 45 to 60 days, and I'm here to tell you that I already have results. Credit score is going up at least 19 to 20 points. We have a public records that has been removed from our credit report that has been on there probably since 2006, 2007. The public records were paid in full, but with their help from Leaf Credit Solutions, they have gotten those public records removed from our credit report. So I'm excited that we seeing the light, that we'll be able to be homeowners for the first time this summer. And I'm just absolutely excited about seeing more results from Leaf Credit Solutions. So I recommend you all to try them out. If they say they can do it, they can do it. Hopefully I'll be able to give you another video review so that you'll see the keys in my hand to prove that they helped us to get our first home. Thank you, Leaf Credit Solutions.